Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. So today I've got another pedicure video for you. Without wasting time, let's just get started. So I'll start by coming in with my clippers and cutting off any excess length. Then I'll come in with my electric file and file the surface and the edges as well. Come in with a dehydrator and remove any excess dust or oils on my nail. Come in with my file and shape it up a little bit. I'm going to apply the nails, so I'll get my fake nails, come in with a little bit of glue and stick it onto my natural nails. I'll push it into the cuticle area to give it that natural look. Afterwards, I'll cut them shorter into my desired length. I'll go ahead and file the tips. So I want something very natural looking, and I'll be using this natural nude pink nail polish I got from AliExpress. Is a gel polish, so I'll go ahead and come in with one coat each. After which I'll cure them under the UV light for about 60 seconds. I want it more vivid and thicker, so I'll come in with a second coat. I want to create French tips, so I'll get my silicone stamp, come in with some white gel polish. Now I'll dip the tip of my nails into the white polish, after which I'll cure them under the UV light for about 60 seconds. And finally, I'll come in with a glossy top coat. And I'll apply some cuticle oil. So here we are, and this is how I do my pedicure at home. Easy and simple, and you save some money as well. I hope I did help you, and I hope you're gonna give us a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.